As the world focuses on safe, sustainable chemistries, Bomar has unveiled a new line of bio-based oligomers. Bomar bio-based oligomers are formulated with significant bio-content derived from renewable raw materials such as plants or crops. They are also formulated with a tin-free catalyst, which altogether makes them ideal candidates for consumer applications with low irritancy requirements. The mechanical properties of Bomar bio-based oligomers are very similar, if not better, to corresponding petrol-based products. They offer a sustainable alternative to traditional petrol-based products, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Bomar's bio-based oligomers exhibit exceptional low-temperature flexibility and elasticity, as well as a low initial color. Their dynamic properties excel, rebounding with lower viscosity compared to similar polyether chemistries. Additionally, they enhance heat resistance in cured formulations. These properties make them ideal for use in nail coatings, 3D printing resins, and impact-resistant coatings, both pigmented and transparent. Our bio-based oligomers represent a step towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. Join us in embracing this innovative technology as we strive to build a brighter, greener tomorrow.